ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. Multinational beverage corporation Coca-Cola has called for a global media and creative review of its accounts. The company aims to review its marketing investments and create a consolidated roster of agencies for its brands. According to media reports, the review will include creative, production management, shopper, and experiential marketing services as a way of transforming and improving the effectiveness of their marketing investments. The Chief Digital Transformation and Brand Officer of the telecom giant Vi, Kavita Nair, has now quit the company. Nair was one to lead the recent rebranding exercise of Vodafone Idea, which is now called Vi. Industry sources close to the development have confirmed the news to ET Brand Equity. Group M WPP's Media Investment Group has announced that Adam Gerhard has been named Mindshare Global Chief Executive Officer effective January 2021. Gerhard, who will serve on Group M's global leadership team, also maintains his Mindshare US CEO role until a successor is named. As global CEO, his remit includes the strategy and operations of the global agency network that spans across 86 countries. Social media platform ShareChat has announced the appointment of Ajit Varghese as its Chief Commercial Officer. Prior to joining ShareChat, Varghese was the global president at Wavemaker, a WPP Group global media network. In his new role, Varghese will be responsible for expanding and strengthening the platform's revenue efforts and building a robust monetization approach with strategic content partnership. Group M's Global 2020 End-of-Year Forecast report has highlighted the state of advertising industry and has predicted what the industry can expect next. It states that despite the grim global economy, advertising will end up declining by only 5.8% on an underlying basis, excluding US political advertising. It also highlighted that the nature of the downturn and new consumer behaviors have forced businesses to rapidly adapt to e-commerce models, benefiting digital advertising greatly. It said that digital advertising is expected to grow by 8.2% during 2020, excluding US political activity. That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.